Shoes are acquired. Let's go home. Let's unbox them. Take a look at them, and we're gonna talk about resell on these shoes, man. These are straight fire. Let me know down below in the comments if you guys cop. If you did cop a pair, make sure you put a bunch of fire emojis. If you did not cop, put a bunch of trash emojis. I want to see who copped these sneakers today. Free patent leather bred Air Jordan 1 giveaway. All you guys need to do is hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment down below. Let me know your size in the bred patent leather Air Jordan 1. I'm gonna announce the giveaway winner very, very soon, in just a few days, so make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in. Good luck. The next giveaway is gonna be a pair of Panda Dunks. Make sure you guys subscribe. You do not want to miss these sneaker giveaways. Back home from finish line, let's open these up. Let's take a look at today's release. This sneaker is straight fire in my opinion. I definitely wanted a personal pair of these. I got them for under retail. Shout out to Finish Line for the rewards program. So I got them for the old retail price of $190, so saved 20 bucks. That was awesome. Let's take a look at these fire, straight fire Air Jordans. Gotta love retail W's. Let me know your last retail W down below in the comments. In this bag, we have today's release of the brand new Air Jordan 12 Playoff. Got my personal size 11. I'm gonna probably be keeping these. Let's see what they look like in person. I have not seen them yet. These, wow, these are very nice. Definitely awesome. In my opinion, they did these awesome. Much better than the last retro. In 2012, they didn't do them right. They made changes to the back. They made changes to the Jumpman. This right here is pretty much an OG form. The leather quality is soft, nice and tumbled. They did these awesome, man. This is a very nice retro. Got the red Jumpman on the tongue. Take a look at the back. You have your 23 on the back. The tag right there, very nice in white writing. The Jumpman hit right there. These are just looking awesome, man. Awesome job. Very, very dope in its true form. I can't be happier with this retro. Retail was $210 on men's pairs. They're at about $250, $260 on release day, which means the price will go down when people get their pairs in. I don't think it'll drop too much because it's already at like 50 bucks over retail. However, it is a Jordan 12 and Jordan 12s usually do pretty well. I'm not saying that they're gonna skyrocket in price. I don't see them going to like $450, $500, nothing crazy like that. But Jordan 12s are easy movers for most people. They're just a very solid, nice Air Jordan retro that a lot of people mess with. This is a classic sneaker, an OG Air Jordan, the Playoff 12. Michael Jordan did wear these. So for that reason, I do believe that these will eventually go up in price. Maybe to like $350. It is a Jordan 12 at the end of the day, and a lot of people like and mess with Jordan 12. This is an OG colorway, black, white, very wearable, with a little hits of red, and it's in its OG form. They did a good job. Quality is pretty nice on the leather. It's soft. Let me know down below in the comments if these are fire or trash in your opinion. I will be keeping these, having them in hand. These are straight fire. I can't wait to rock them. I love the classic Air Jordans. When it comes to classic retros like this, they're gonna do well when it's a good retro, when it's a good model. A lot of people mess with 12s. It's a dope Air Jordan at the end of the day. Classic, and hey, I'm happy they brought them back out here in 2022. The outsole is white and black, which means it's gonna get very dirty when you wear them, and I recommend putting on drip grip on the bottoms of these to protect the bottoms. Keep the bottom lasting a long time, keep it fresh, and keep your sneakers in great condition. You can purchase drip grip sole protectors for your sneakers with the link down below in the description, and don't forget to use my discount code DANNY10 to receive 10% off your order. Drip grip has the best sole protectors on the market. No slippage, no tears, the best sole protectors on the market. Protect your sneakers, protect your investment today with Drip Grip, the best sole protectors on the market. Link down below, make sure you guys check them out. I'll definitely be putting Drip Grip on the bottom of these when I wear them because I want to keep that bottom nice and white, keep it fresh, and keep my sneakers looking great. I'm excited to wear these. I did go true to size. 12s do run usually true to size, or you can go even half a size down. These are straight fire, gonna go straight to the toe, and I cannot wait to rock the Playoff 12. It's nice to see them back here in 2022. I'm excited for more retros here in 2022. Let me know down below in the comments, what Air Jordan retro are you excited for next? Personally, it's got to be the Rebellion Air Jordan 1s. I definitely want them, man. I'm looking for them. Resell's not high, so I'm definitely looking to pick up a pair of Rebellion Air Jordan 1s next. If you have dirty sneakers and want to keep them clean, make sure you guys check out Rejuvenator. The link is down below in the description. You're going to receive money off automatically automatically at checkout. Make sure you guys check out Drip Grip. Make sure you guys get your soul protectors. All the links, everything you guys need is always in the description. Make sure you guys check the description of every video. Click those links, check them out. And don't forget to enter the free Patent Leather Bred Air Jordan 1 giveaway. This giveaway ends very, very soon. A free pair of Patent Leather Bred Air Jordan 1s. Make sure you guys subscribe, leave a like, and comment your size down below. I've been thinking about starting a group where we talk about sneaker investments. We could talk about what sneakers will go up, what sneakers will go down in price. We'll all make money together in this group, help each other out. If that is something you guys are interested in and would like to actually be a part of, make sure you give me a follow on Instagram. DM me, DannyMoore2369, and tell me in the DMs, hey Danny, go create that investment group. I want to be a part of it. If I get a bunch of DMs, I'm going to go ahead and create the group. So make sure you guys DM me. Let me know, hey, Danny, we want the group. Let me know in the DMs on Instagram. I think the group is a great idea. We'll all make money together, help each other with these sneaker investments, and just helping each other out in the community all together. I want to do some merch as well. I've been thinking about doing maybe some do not sell merch. So let me know down below in the comments if you guys want to buy some merch. And anyone that does buy the merch would get a chance at winning some hype sneakers. Just buy, you know, a t-shirt, a hoodie, and you could possibly win some hype sneakers. Definitely got to include that in there because I want to give back and become the Mr. Beast of sneaker YouTube. And I need your help in doing that. So make sure you guys like this video. Make sure you guys subscribe. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the Moore family. Hit the subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. We're always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.